discussing the impacts of tourism development in a Philippine destination. So here are some pictures of the Boracay. We have the famous white sand, of course. That would be the perfect destination for each people. Uh, Here are the impacts that I will discuss. I have social impacts, environmental impacts, cultural impacts, and economic impacts. So next, we start with the introduction. Boracay is a small island in the municipality of Malay, Aklan, Philippines. Renowned for its white sand beaches, clear waters, and vibrant tourism scene, it has become one of the country's top resort destinations. It has become the country's top resort destination because it has a lot of accommodation like five-star hotels, not like other places na they don't have really much hotel in their places, not like in Boracay. So next. First, we have the social impacts. Tourism has transformed life in Boracay by shifting many locals from traditional livelihoods to tourism-related jobs, creating new opportunities but increasing dependence on the industry. The surge of visitors raised demand for housing and services, improving some infrastructure but also causing overcrowding and a higher cost of living, along with the increased migration from other provinces. Indigenous anti communities faced land issues and challenges in preserving their cultural despite gaining some livelihood opportunities. Overall, tourism improved employment but also led to social inequality, displacement concerns, and changing community dynamics. Next. Next is we have economic impacts. Tourism is the main economic driver in Boracay, providing jobs and creating strong income for hotels, restaurants, transports, operators, and small businesses. It has encouraged infrastructure development such as improved roads, sewage systems, and public facilities. However, the island has become heavily dependent on tourism, making the local economy vulnerable to closures, seasonal demand, and global crises. Income inequality is also evident with the large resorts benefiting more than small local enterprises. Many tourism jobs are seasonal or low pay paying, creating unstable income for workers. So dito relate ang mga tao since yun nga mas maraming job opening pero yung mga local business is parang mas nahihirapan sila kasi nga open open na ang mga higher hotels, restaurants. So bali yung mga small businesses nahihirapan na makipag-cope up. Next, we have cultural impacts. Tourism has brought greater visibility to Boracay's local culture, including Ati traditions, crafts, and festivals. While this has helped promote cultural pride and create livelihood opportunities, it has also led to commercialization of traditions to suit tourist expectations. The Ati community continues to face challenges in preserving their cultural identity and securing their ancestral land due to rapid development. Overall, tourism has encouraged cultural awareness but also contributed to cultural modification and pressures on indigenous heritage. So overall, for the cultural, ang ginagawa ng mga ati is pine-preserve nila yung kanilang culture which is parang lagi sila may mga festival sila na sine-celebrate doon. Then, yun, next, we have is environmental impacts. For the environmental impacts, tourism placed heavy pressure on Boracay's environment, leading to issues such as wastewater pollution, coral reef damage, overcrowding, and excessive solid waste. Rapid development also contributed to habitat loss and shoreline degradation. The 2018 island rehabilitation helped address many of these problems through stricter zoning, improved sewage system, waste management upgrades, and enforcement of environmental regulation. Conservation efforts like coral and mangrove rehabilitation continue to support ecological recovery, but maintaining sustainability remains an ongoing challenge. So basically, ito talaga yung main problem ng Boracay, which is yung wastewater pollution. Since sobrang daming ang tao, so sobrang daming waste na napupunta sa water ng Boracay. So, pero naagapan naman nila yon with rapid development, which is parang shoreline degradation, rehabilitation, tapos na mas lalo nilang na-sustainable ang kanilang mga coral reefs, gano'n. Mas nag improve ang Boracay throughout the years. And that's all. Thank you.